Hello and welcome back to another episode of Collegedunia Campus Tours. This is Deshna and today we are taking you inside the Lalit Suri Hospitality School. A campus designed to feel less like a college and more like a hospitality industry in itself. From luxury hotel-style labs to advanced kitchens and bakery studios, we will explore everything that trains the future hospitality students here. Namaskar.
This is our reception lounge where our practical classes would be conducted, and we are learning the front office operations like a real hotel environment, and our students are gaining the hands-on experience how to deal with the gas handling situations, communication and hospitality services.
We have opera system here where we check in and check out the guests, where we settle the bill and gets the hands-on experience, learn a lot about front office.
In our classrooms, we taught our students about the hospitality industry and its core subjects, also the other subjects that will help them in the future and in the practical world, also for their career opportunities and different career pathways.
Namaskar, my name is Chef Ayusha Roy. I'm teaching bakery and patisserie in the Lalit Suri Hospitality School, and where we are standing right now is the bakery and pastry kitchen. And we have 20 stations. Each of the stations are equipped with washing station, workstation, under table counters, refrigerators. One of the USPs of our kitchen is that we have 12 ovens, and we also have 4 proofing chambers and industrial or commercial level equipment. Now this is our basic training kitchen 1. Each station is equipped with working area, washing area and cooking area. Also each station is equipped with a rational oven. So all the world class and state of art equipment is found in this kitchen.
Namaskar. This is our bar where you can enjoy a variety of mocktail and cocktail. And this place is very excellent where you can learn from experienced bartender and the art of mixology.
Namaskar, welcome to Oko. This side.
Namaskar,
Here we learn how to do table setting and learn American service, French service and other services, and table setup, how to arrange a glass and spoons, and we learn how to serve beer, wine and tea and coffee.
So as you see the beautiful campus of ours, we have beautiful hostel rooms as well. It's replicate the original hotel rooms, so students can feel the luxury and bring it into their career as well. And when they will go to the industry, they don't feel awkward or nervous. When the word hospitality comes, people often think it as bawarchi, waiter, housekeeper, and not think it as a global industry.
So this is the time where you can find a lot of noise around you. A lot of people will tell you to do what, and it's going to be little difficult for you to figure out what to choose. And you know what? This is the most important time of your life where you have to choose your career. A lot of time we come across all those information from people that hospitality doesn't have a very exciting career. However, we always need to start from the scratch. We need to learn if tomorrow you wanted to become an entrepreneur, or you wanted to start something your own, or you wanted to sit in that position of a general manager to one of the luxurious hotel in the world, you need to start from the base. You need to learn everything from the scratch from the day one in a hotel school. So of course, what my suggestion would be, always do your research properly. It's an amazing career. When we talk about hospitality, it is not just hotel management. It's not just hotel. There are a lot of other opportunities in this world. When we talk about airlines, we have your entrepreneurship, what I already talked about. You can actually get into retail industry. You can get into banking. You can get into airlines, cruise liners, so and so forth. So do your research properly. There is an amazing career waiting for you. Do visit our campus, meet our team, check all the infrastructure that we are offering at the Lalit Suri Hospitality School. Looking forward to welcome you at the Lalit Suri Hospitality School. Do visit us and join the hotel industry.
And that's a wrap for the amazing campus tour of the Lalit Suri Hospitality School. This campus truly offers an environment where students don't just study hospitality, they truly experience it every single day. For more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to Collegedunia. See you in the next one.